In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add GoDaddy email to Gmail. First thing, log into your GoDaddy account and go to Products and scroll down to Email and Office. Click on it, then navigate to Manage All. Scroll down to locate your email and click on it. On the Email Details page, scroll down to Server Settings and click on it. Note down the server settings as we'll need them later. Next, open your Gmail account and click on the Settings gear icon and select See All Settings. Navigate to Accounts and Import. Under Check Mail from the other accounts, click on Add an email account. Enter your email address and click Next. Enter your password and other required information. And retrieve the POP server from GoDaddy's server settings and paste it in the appropriate field. Change the port to 995 and check the box for SSL encryption and click on Add Account. Go back to GoDaddy's server settings and copy the SMTP server. Paste it in the SMTP server field in Gmail and enter your email address and password. Change the port to 465 and click Add Account. Gmail will send a verification email to your professional email account. Open it and locate the verification email. Once confirmed, return to Gmail. Your professional email is now successfully added to your Gmail account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.